So, welcome to our next video in this course about filtering and sorting, one of the most common used techniques. Very easy to handle, but you need to know them if you want to work with Excel. So, filtering, you can find the filter function either under the data tab or directly on the start page, so like home. And only columns can be filtered. There isn't a filter option for filtering row-wise. You can also apply multiple filters simultaneously, and you should select all the columns you want to be filtered before you activate your filters. You can filter also by color, and depending on the content, even with numbers and text. So both is possible. You can also filter like the greatest X examples, the top 10 numbers, if text is not included, and so on and so on. You have multiple options there. Um, and yeah, the rows without without fulfilling the filter criteria, then gets high, then we're hidden. And yeah, the rows who were filtered out are highlighted then in blue. But we see that in the next few moments in Excel. Then sorting, you can also find the sorting function under the data tab or directly on the start page, so like home. And you can also sort only columns, not rows. You can apply several criteria simultaneously. You can sort alphabetically, descending or ascending, or by number. And yeah, the column is then sorted, but you should pay attention to the sort range. If you only select, for example, one column, but you also want to sort the other columns depending on that column you sort, then you should also take a look and pay attention to this. So let's see what we can do there in Excel. First, we will filter something. You find your filter here on the home page under sort and filter. And we want to filter, for example, the top 10 values here. Here, top 10 items. So, and you see here we sorted after this one, and here you see because there is a larger line between those rows here, that there are some rows hidden there. At the bottom there are a lot of hidden rows, and the sorted out rows are highlighted in blue. And you see top 10 values here for market cap. It is a little bit of all the data we are currently at larger sums. You can also clear the filter here, or you can clear the filter here. And if you want to don't have this filter button here at the top, you need to click here additionally. So this was filtering. You can also play around with it. You have a lot of other options here, but you can also do sorting here. For example, sort largest to smallest. Sorry, I will do this here. So, and then you get a warning, and you should pay attention to this warning, because if I select here continue with the current selection, it will only sort this column, but not the other columns. So Control Z, and again, sort largest to smallest. And if I click here and expand this selection, Excel automatically detects the rows here at the left side, and it will sort these rows also accordingly. So we'll see if you go at the bottom here, that Apple here with the largest market cap is then at the bottom, and everything was sorted accordingly. So like US is as the home country is also there. Yeah, you can also customly sort, but then for example, we can sort firstly, well, Control Z. Firstly, we will sort potentially for country here, but then I will need to select all those columns here. Sort by country, A to Z, and then sort by market cap from largest to smallest, for example. So it will firstly sort by the country and then by the market cap. And as you saw, I didn't selected all the columns, so it only sorted the selected columns. And it didn't show a warning here because it thought, oh, you only want to sort these columns you have selected. So as you saw here, we have then here the countries sorted here, Australia, then Austria, and also based on after country, the market value, the market cap sort accordingly. And you see here's the jump, because then we go from the Australian companies to the Austrian companies. That was everything I wanted to show. Thank you for your attention. I hope to see you in the next video.